Welcome back to Motorhome Aura. Today, I'm reviewing something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling 5-star hotel that blends Maybach elegance with futuristic technology. And trust me, the best part is yet to come, so don't go anywhere. From the outside, the Maybach Motorhome looks like a futuristic yacht on wheels. Its aerodynamic double-story design is wrapped in pearl white with champagne gold accents, while the signature Maybach grille glows with vertical LED bars. But hold on, the inside will surprise you even more. Step inside and the magic begins. The lounge feels like a private jet cabin, with modular reclining leather seats, built-in touchscreens, and massage functions. Panoramic smart glass windows can turn opaque in seconds, while neon ambient lighting creates a cinematic glow. And wait until you see the kitchen, you won't believe it. The kitchen is straight out of the future. Sleek chrome counters, touch-activated appliances, holographic controls, and a smart wine cooler make it feel like a high-tech culinary studio. But that's nothing compared to what's next. Get ready to be blown away by the bedroom. In the bedroom, luxury reaches new heights. A floating king-size bed takes center stage, surrounded by panoramic smart glass walls. Hidden golden light strips give it a 7-star cinematic glow. Don't click away yet. The dining room is another jaw-dropper. The dining area continues the luxury theme with a glowing glass table, sculpted chrome chairs, and wraparound smart glass walls. Imagine dining here with a night city skyline just outside. Incredible, right? But hang tight, the cockpit takes this to a whole new level. Up front, the driver's cockpit feels like piloting a spaceship. A curved panoramic windshield, holographic 3D dashboard, and neon touch steering make driving futuristic yet intuitive. But wait, the rooftop feature is the ultimate showstopper, and you don't want to miss this. On the roof sits a private sky deck with a jacuzzi. Teak flooring, ambient LED lighting, and crystal clear water transform the roof into a spa under the stars. Day or night, this is the definition of luxury travel. Performance is just as impressive. Powered by a hybrid electric system with V8 backup, it delivers both silent cruising and raw power. Adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride anywhere, while all-wheel drive gives total confidence on highways or scenic routes. Of course, all this comes at a price starting around $5 million. But remember, you're not just buying a motorhome, you're buying a lifestyle. So whether it's the spaceship cockpit, rooftop jacuzzi, or 7-star bedroom, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Motorhome redefines travel like never before.
Move right in the video.
Thanks for watching. If you love this showcase, hit like, subscribe to Motorhome Aura, and ring the bell because the next video is going to be even more mind-blowing.